What's up guys, this is Chris. Welcome back to my channel. I talk about investing responsibly and we're back at it with an educational video. So with this video, I want to show you guys how exactly I like to find some really high quality stocks that are on a dip and at a really good entry point. And they're very often likely to bounce back as well from there. So this is a highly valuable video and you want to stay to the end of it so you get all that juicy information. And let's get started. So when the markets are going down, you want to be able to look for a list of stocks that are going to be able to bounce back because of really good things, whether it has high growth, exceptional balance sheets, or they're in industries that are going to do well in the coming years. So what I want to suggest is using this FinViz stock screener, and this allows you to use it as a search engine to look for those stocks and filter out the good ones from the bad ones. And you will be able to find some stocks that are on an exceptional discount. Alright guys, so I put out a video on Monday of this week saying that I had a list of 10 high quality stocks that I think you should buy on weakness. And on Tuesday, you had a lot of those stocks bouncing back, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did to find some of those stocks. Okay, it's very simple. All it takes is a couple of minutes and you're on your way. I'm on finviz.com, right? One of my favorite sites for stocks. And I'm gonna go to the screener tab, okay? Once you're here, make it a little bigger. Once you're here, you're gonna do a couple of things. You wanna look for stocks that are gonna be of a decent size so that you know it's not gonna be really a pump and dump type of stock for the most part. So I want you to go to market cap here. So make sure you're on the descriptive tab right here in the filters, and you're gonna select market cap plus small. Okay, that means over $300 million. That will allow you to get some really reputable companies and a wide range. So that cuts down our original list of 7,000 plus stocks of 3,981. So you're gonna hop on over now to fundamental. Okay, this is related to the actual financial results and statistics of that company's business. You're gonna go over to sales growth quarter over quarter, and you want to invest in a company that has positive growth over the past year. And after that, you're going to go now to technical. Okay, once you're in technical, this is the interesting part. You want to go to RSI 14. Okay, we talked about relative strength index. If you don't know what that is, it has a definition right here. It's RSI is a technical analysis oscillator, meaning it's like a sliding scale showing price strength or momentum, right? Up or down. So you want to pick stocks that are going to be oversold, okay? 30 is traditionally the oversold level. If it's 30 or below, usually that means the stock has been downtrending for quite some time or it's downtrending very sharply. You could try it out 30 or 40. I'm going to choose 40 for this example, especially after Tuesday with this big drop down in a lot of stocks. You have a lot more stocks on this list. Okay, what I'm also going to do to add to this is I'm going to go to the 200-day simple moving average. And that, my friends, is the average closing price over the past 200 days. Again, I'm going to select stocks that are above the 200-day moving average. That means that the price right now is still above the average, so the stock hasn't completely tanked and it's maintaining that support level. I'm going to narrow that down now to 192 stocks. That's a lot of stocks, right? So you can keep playing around with this and refine it even more, right? Maybe you want to actually choose now oversold 30, and you see 13 of some of the most downtrending stocks out there that have a lot of weakness, and it could be poised at a point where it's gonna start to bounce back. Okay, I talked about a couple of these on my channel in that video, 10 stocks to buy. You have Apple right here today. As of recording, it's at an RSI of 29. First Solar, another one that I like. This one's actually bouncing back quite a lot on this day, Tuesday, that I'm recording. You see here RSI 29.8, and you have Gravity, another one, RSI 27. This is some of the lowest RSIs you have seen in these stocks in a long time, just to show you guys a more detailed look, if you go to tradingview.com, you pull up one of these charts like gravity, and you go to the full featured chart. All right, here you can see I have the RSI chart on the bottom and I have the stock chart on the top, and you can see here that the RSI right now is incredibly low. It hasn't been this low since March 2020 at the height of the pandemic. Circle that right here. Okay, so I have the belief that it's very likely that gravity, for instance, is going to start to uptrend from here. It's at such a low price. By the way, it also has hit this support level here, this base around 120, 116. You saw the stock price hit that level today as well. So that, my friends, is how you could find some quality stocks that are likely going to start bouncing back. And just to go back to that screener now, one last note, right? Again, if you don't want to choose, the bottom of the barrel type of oversold stocks, maybe you want a broader look at it besides these 13 stocks that I have here, you could do oversold 40. That gives you a broader range of stocks. It might not be at RSI 30 yet, but you go back to fundamental, and let's say you want to choose some profitable companies. You want to have some safety, knowing that these are companies that are already generating some income. You go to PE ratio and you select either profitable for stocks that are companies that are making some money right now, or you choose low, which means that this is actually probably quite an undervalued stock if the PE ratio is under 15 and the market average is well in the 20s. So go ahead and choose low, for example, and you get 13 stocks once again. You choose profitable, you get 100 stocks. So definitely play around with this, guys, and use this to your advantage to build up that watch list, or build up your vocabulary of different stocks, and be aware of stocks to buy when the discounts happen. Otherwise, you're going to be just sitting there when the market's tanking and you have no idea what to do. I have no idea what to buy. I don't know if the stock is a good time to get in or not. This helps solve that problem. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to use this tool and this strategy to look for stocks to buy on the dip, and let me know exactly which ones you may have picked up after seeing this video. And if you did get a lot of value out of this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more of them, and share with your friends, whoever might use this investing advice to make a whole lot of money. Until next time, my friends, stay well and invest responsibly.